guys, welcome back. It's going to be another quick video. In this video, I'm just showing you guys how I use the diamond wrap from Dollar Tree to just glam up my mirror that I had for a while now. And I'm just going to show you guys really quick how I did it. So as you guys saw, I was showing you that I had both the adhesive diamond wrap and then the non-adhesive diamond wrap. So I'll go in with the adhesive diamond wrap first, and then once I run out of that one, I'll go in with the other one, and that's when I'll use the E6000 glue. So the rest of the video basically self-explanatory. The only thing I did was measure out the pieces of the diamond wrap before placing it on the mirror, and I did that to make sure I wasn't cutting it too big or too small. I wanted to make sure it was the exact size of the side of that mirror before placing it on there, and that's basically what you'll see me do throughout the video. So if you guys want to see the finished look, then stay tuned, continue watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all on the next video. Hope you enjoy.